everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Hannah. I did cut my hair. If you guys can tell, you couldn't tell there because I was literally, it was out of frame. But anyway, I chopped my hair off last night, probably 2 nights ago when you're gonna see, if you're gonna see this video, or when I upload my video. I did it on Instagram. I just did like a little before and after, and I just did it in my bathroom. I don't know why, but I just had the urge to cut my hair, and I did it, and I cut a whole 9 inches off, so. Yeah, but my hair grows very quickly. I did this last summer and it was past my boobs by this time. So yeah, I'm not that worried. I love my hair, but it's just so thick and hard to maintain when it's long. But anyway, this is a makeup tutorial. So today I was just inspired by the new little Jaclyn Haul, not really new. This is the Ring the Alarm palette. This isn't really new, but it's new to me. I am never up to date with any of the makeup things that are going on. But this was only $12 at Morphe, so I thought I'd snatch. It's a very pretty fall palette. So yeah, I was inspired by this, and I am going out later, so I just needed to get ready anyway. But if you guys want to know how I created this look, do not forget to keep watching and subscribe to my channel. If you are new here, I would love for you guys to stay, and don't forget to turn on my notifications to get notified. Hi guys, so I'm starting off with my brows done and my eye base on. That's why I look like a weird ass right now. But for my like little concealer action going on here, I just used my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in shade Swan. I'm actually just going to be creating a fall look with this. Like, this just screams fall to me. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so I'm just going to go in with a Morphe M441. Also pick this up. I sound like a legit beauty guru now that I have a Morphe. I'm just gonna go in with the shade Rush, as you can see right here, a very light orange shade, and I'm gonna be patting that in to my crease. So far this is really pigmented, and it doesn't, I literally just dip and press, and I'm going in more of like a circular shape, and then I'm lightly just gonna be buffing that out. Next, I'm gonna be taking the shade Mugshot, and I'm gonna be putting that on the outer V of my eye, and I'm just gonna go in with a flat brush at first and just press that out, or press that in, I guess, and then I will buff it out. Oh snap, sis. Christ. Going to drag it in a little bit into the crease. Going back in with that brush that we used for the first crease shade, which was Rush, I'm just going to be blending that out. It honestly doesn't need that much blending. It blended like really nicely. Now that everything is pretty much blended, the best of my ability, I am not a beauty guru at all. I just like to do makeup. So I'm going to be cutting my crease, and I'm just going to be taking my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in shade Swan, same one I used to carve my brows, and all good things like that. And we're just gonna cut the crease. I like to do a pretty high cut. You probably didn't see anything of that. Wow. I like to do a pretty high cut crease, so even when I'm like looking up like this, you can still see the colors. So now that that color is on, I'm actually going to be going in with this shimmer shade called Lolly, like lollipop, and going in with my ring finger. We're just gonna drag that baby across the cut crease and see where it takes us. Hopefully this is dry though. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna pat it in there first. Fuck. I'm gonna go in with this really tiny brush instead because it isn't dry, and I kind of just wiped it off with my finger, which is, you know, great. And I'm just gonna press it. I know this is really tiny, so it'll take a while, but I really want that color payoff, so. So once I did that, I actually went ahead and used this shimmer shade, this pressed shimmer called Boom, and put it right in between the matte and the shimmer just to give it more of a nicer gradient. And now I'm just gonna go in with a Neutrogena wipe and just gently clean up the sides of this makeup. Boom, that's such a great trick. So now we are done with the eyes and we're just gonna move on to the face. And I did forget to mention, but before I just did my eyes, I did prime with my Maybelline Master Prime in 101 Blur, I believe it is. And now for foundation, I'm gonna be taking my Maybelline Superstay Foundation in shade 118 or light beige. This is a little dark for my face, but I do have, I'd like to say, a little bit of a neck tan going on right now. I just put about 1/4 of a pump in each area. Besides that one, I kind of just drag that. But then I just kind of blot it out with my finger. Then I have 2 sponges in front of me. I'm actually going to try the Morphe sponge again. I tried it a couple days ago, just doing my makeup, and I didn't like it at all. It's just really tough, like really hard, but I know you probably have to just kind of wear down a beauty blender. But I usually shift towards my Real Technique sponge, and yeah. So next up, we're gonna be contouring, cream contouring to be exact. That was really annoying. I'm just gonna be taking my NYX Mineral Stick Foundation in MSF09 or Caramel. I like to take an e.l.f. stippling brush with this, and I pretty much just do this. I pretty much just pat that in and slowly blend it out. I did this yesterday and I forgot how much I loved how it looked. So next up, going back in with that Born This Way, Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Swan, and just concealing my under eyes. Next, I'm going to be baking everywhere that I just highlighted, especially my T-zone, because my T-zone is super oily. So I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Face Powder in 05 or Fair. So I realized that this white powder does tend to leave a white cast, so I won't be baking for too long. I like to pat that in as I go, not just swipe it away. Now to bronze and contour my face, I'm going to be going in with the Morphe Bronzer. This is a 2-in-1, and honestly, I saw a lot of people didn't like this, but what I do is I literally just go like this, and works just fine for me. And what I like to do is contour, or just, well, set everywhere that I already contoured, and I really like to contour my forehead because I have a very large forehead. Let's be real. Next, going in with a little blush to bring back some color to my face, I'm going to be taking my Milani Luminoso blush. I really like this blush. It's pretty subtle, yet it has like a really nice highlighty sheen to it. That is just so pretty. I always go a little bit overboard, but it fades. I don't know why. My blush fades very quickly. Next, I'm going to be quickly spraying my face with my Revolution Pro Fix Fixing Spray. So I just added some mascara, and now I am letting my lashes dry, And while I wait, I think I'm just gonna do my lips. I'm gonna take this NYX Soft Lip Cream. I haven't used this in like forever. I don't even know what exact color it is. Well, I do. It's Athens. And if I remember right, these are pretty thin, so. Why does the bottle always look so much darker than it actually is? Like, this is like a bright pink, but it goes very well with the eyes. Okay, we're just gonna see here. Because I am going out later, so I kind of did like a little get ready with me with you guys, but yeah, this is so thin. I think it's meant to be more of like a lip topper. I'm gonna go over it with more of a light nude. This is from Morphe. This is the cream lipstick in Flirt. Now I really like this formula because it is so like buttery and easy to put on and it actually lasts. So for lashes today, I have been going back to these every single time. These are from AliExpress. They were $2.50. But yeah, they're lashes, so. And what I mean by that is I don't need no name brand. $2.50, like, yes, please. And that is today's finished look, you guys. I know you're probably wondering why wouldn't you put highlight on, but I don't want anything to take away the focus from the eyes and just like the really nice skin. I find a lot of the times that highlight just adds a lot more texture to my face than I want it to. So yeah, if you did enjoy this, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love it if you guys stuck around. Don't forget to turn on my notification bell when you do that, and I will see you guys in the next video.